Yes, yes.
Yes.
Raya
Avirachet. Yes.
from Switzerland.
Yes.
Switzerland.
Yes. Well, I'm Lebanese originally, but this is.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we
Okay,
met
okay.
before. And you were in Marrakesh as well.
Yes.
Had a great time.
Yes.
Everyone's talking about it. Okay, have we started? It's always a pleasure to talk to you about your films because I enjoy them so much. There's a backdrop of finance in this one, but this is a film about various forms of addiction and how they spiral out of control. How important are those themes to you? How important are the themes for you?
Yeah, and the themes. Well, I mean, it's about weakness, huh? Mm-hmm. Weakness, strength, and weakness. If you're strong enough to be able to command making millions of dollars in 1 hour by just talking to somebody and lying, or even telling, or legitimately, that's a strength. But then it's about pride, and it's about the fall, isn't it? In this case, of course, the fall, then probably the comeback.
Yeah, absolutely.
The way it's happening right now in the world, yeah.
Back and forth.
Just comes right back and forth.
Yeah.
Nobody does anything. So really, it's about that, I think, and that's why I found that people have a way of
being their own
sitting
worst
back,
enemy.
yeah, and also sitting back, and judging. I would never do that. But if given the circumstances, under the right conditions, who knows what people can do in yourself? So you've got to be aware of it.
The challenge is always to find actors that have the subtlety to make those kind of characters charismatic, but never lovable.
That's right. I think, I don't know, we didn't start out to make them lovable. It just seems the actor has it, I think. An actor like Leo, or an actor like when I worked a number of years ago with Robert De Niro in characters like Raging Bull. That was the main question. Who cares about this guy? Nobody wants to see him. We didn't think about, we cared, and some people have since then. And the same with a number of other films we made. And so we just took a chance. We didn't even think it was a chance. We just thought it was natural.
Yeah. No, absolutely. What is the challenge of those movies? Because it is so energy consuming to do them. So much is going on.
Well, the challenge right now, the energy consuming, I've got a very bad asthma attack. It's hard to speak. I need like 2 months rest, and yet we've got to promote the picture. And I just completely, I went to Marrakesh to do the festival because I promised. And I really like Morocco a great deal. I made 2 films there. So, but that was kind of a respite in a way. But the challenge is to make a picture like this, especially the machine of the picture, the equipment, the people, the trucks. Although this was on a smaller scale than what on Hugo, for example, was even bigger. I'm trying to find a way to even get more energy into it by breaking through the production